What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have this tire shine. If you're into cars, you gotta shine the tires, you guys. If you don't shine your tire after you wash your car, then you're crazy. You have to shine the tires. That's how people know your car was washed. All right, just kidding. I know I'm corny, but anyways, I bought this from Costco. It was like a few months ago. They might still have it, but we are going to go ahead and check it out. It says natural shine, deep black shine, high gloss shine, and it says extreme wet shine. And that's where it has the marker on the extreme shine. So we are going to test this, and we're going to put it up against something else. I don't know what we got right now, but we're going to put it against something else. So we are going to go ahead and open this. All right, let's see. All of this should be the same. Shake well before using. Apply to clean, dry tires. Okay, your tires cannot be wet, you guys. I'm gonna shake well, shake well, shake well. All right, and 4 to 6 inches. Wow, it is shiny. Oh, and it smells good. I don't know if you're supposed to be smelling this stuff, but I know some people are gonna be like, you're putting too much. You're putting too much. Ooh, that thing is shiny. All right, you guys, so here we go. The Crystal Products Untouchable Wet Tire Finish from Costco. And I have to say that it does give it the wet look, okay? Give it a nice shine. Look at that. Shines very nice. All right. Now, I did spray this on a couple of times. It does last maybe like, I'll say a good week. It's about a week and a half. It lasts. All right. But, for the car cleaners out there, the people that clean their car every week, don't have to worry about that. All right. Now, if you clean your car like once a month, and you worry about how long it lasts, then that's your issue for just cleaning once a month. All right, so it does last a good amount of time, but if you want to know the finish of your car, look at that. You can see the reflection of the cars behind us and everything. You guys, this stuff is shiny, all right? All right, you guys, so that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.